Hello guys, and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial of how to do short division. Today I'll be telling you how to do short division. So the first question is 138 divided by 6. So first, you put the first number of the division inside the bus stop, and the second number goes outside. Then you'll start the division. So first you'd see how many 6's go into 1. Well, no 6's go into 1, so you put 0 there. Carry over the 1 to make 3, 13. How many 6's go into 13? Well, that's 2 with a remainder of 1, so you carry over the 1. And how many 6's go into 18? Well, that's 3. And there you have it. Your answer to 138 divided by 6 is 23. Stay on the page and pause the video to see it for longer. Here are 2 practice questions to do yourself. Pause the video, and once you've got the answers, then come back for the rest. Hopefully you got them right. Here are the answers. The answer to the first one was 69, and the answer to the second one was 28. Now this question will have a remainder at the end. A remainder is a number left over after you've done the division. So first, write out your question, and then you draw the bus stop, and then you put the first number, don't get it mixed up with the biggest number inside the bus stop, and the second number outside the bus stop. Now, you can pause it and work out the question, or you can just wait. Okay. So first, how many 8's go into 3? Well, no 8's go into 3. Then you carry over the 3, and how many 8's go into 37? Well, 4 8's go into 37. So you put 4 above it, and then you carry over the 5 from 37, which you didn't use. How many 8's go into 52? Well, that would be 6, leaving a remainder of 4, and then because there's no numbers to carry it over to, you have the answer 46, remainder 4, R4. Here's a question with the remainder answer for you to try out yourself. Pause the video if you haven't, and hopefully you got it correct. The answer was 127, remainder 5, or R5. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, please slap that like button and subscribe for more. And until next time, keep quizzing.